Mauricio Shogun Hua squares off against Dan Henderson. Off we go. Henderson with a spinning back fist. Hua misses with a high kick. Hua doesn't like UFC rules too much, but he is a heck of a mixed martial artist, a great Muay Thai fighter. Big right hand for Hendo. Hua with a switch kick, nothing lands. Hendo with big punches. Now Hendo takes him down. Changing levels nicely. Hua gets up. Light kicks for Hua. Excellent level changes for Mauricio Shogun Hua. Hua drops him. Hua is on the top, but Henderson is very good on the ground. Yeah, he goes for the armbar. Not a wise decision for Mauricio Shogun Hua, though. But we're gonna see. I just don't see this. Nah, Hua slips out of it. Some elbows been thrown by Mauricio Shogun Hua. Hua gets up. Hendo takes him down again. Hua is trying very hard to get up. Hendo's punches are really powerful. Hua sweeping, going for a transition, but nothing lands so far. Hendo stays on the top of his opponent. Good strikes by Hendo. Hendo in the mount. Hua is going for a sweep. No. Hua again going for the sweep. Hendo stays in the mount. Hua with a great sweep. Now he's in the side control. This sweep is very hard to perform, but okay. Hua with the Muay Thai leg kick. Oh, big hooks. Hendo ducking under. High kick for Hua. Hendo caught a kick, now drags him down. Hendo is doing a great job of the top control. This might be Hendo's round though, according to the old school UFC rules, but Hua on the top now. Great sweep. Leg kicks. And more punches by Hua. Hua wasting a lot of energy on those combos. Knee didn't land. Hua gets up. Leg kicks. More leg kicks. More right hands. Well, Hendo is staying on the top of his opponent. Good round for Dan Henderson. Not the greatest round for Mauricio Shogun Hua. Good job of countering opponent's strikes. Yeah, watch for your opponent's punches, takedowns. No, man. Hua dropped him with a punch, but I still think, according to the old rules, that this was Hendo's round. Control mattered, though, back in the days. Hua missing with a high kick. Good strikes for Hua. 1-2 for Mauricio Shogun Hua. Henderson takes him down. Good takedown by Henderson. Great transition by Mauricio Shogun Hua. Leg kicks. 1-2. A middle kick. Henderson caught a kick. Hua with 1-2. Henderson with an uppercut. Now Henderson rocks him. Hua covering up. One-two Hua. Great punches. He gets up. A push kick. Hua doing a great job so far. High kick missed again. A push kick. Oh, Hua is rocked again. Now he fires back with a high kick. Hua goes with a switch kick. Hendo shoots in. Hendo pressing him against the fence. Hua should be cautious, man. He should be very cautious. Oh, Hua with a takedown. Whoa. Hua with a leg kick. I didn't know that Hua knows to wrestle. Middle kick. These combinations are pretty much nice. 1-2 Hua. Hendo is also dangerous. Hendo counters. Nice counters by Dan Henderson. Hua is guessing. Great transition by Mauricio Shogun Hua. Hua missing with a high kick. Oh, he knocks Dan Henderson out with a big right hand. He missed. He missed with a high kick, but okay. Great performance. Got to say, it was a great performance by Mauricio Shogun Hua. Big right hand, and Hendo goes to sleep. Nice performance by Mauricio Shogun Hua. Really enjoyed every second of it. Great fight.